Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this equation. We have 1 on 2 multiplied by x plus square root of x is equal to 4. So in this case, we are solving for x. So with this, we can rewrite half of x as x on 2 and square root of x is equal to 4. So from here, let us send x on 2 to the left hand side. So which results in square root of x is equal to 4 minus x on 2. And this. So from here, let's get rid of the square root. Okay. So by doing this, square both sides of the equation. Okay, so from here, these two will take off the square roots. So we're going to get x, which is equal to 4 minus x on 2 all squared. Okay, so let's solve the one in the bracket first. So our x is equal to, now looking at this, can take the 2 as our LCM. 1 go into 2 times, so 2 times 4, we are getting 8. Then we have to divide by 2 is 1, so minus x. So from here, x is equal to this one. We can express this of x 8 minus x over 2, then 8 minus x over 2. So our x is equal to 8 times 8, we are getting 64. And then 8 times negative x, again gets negative 8x. And this one will give us negative 8x. X times x, we are going to get plus x squared. 2 times 2, which is 4. So all 4. So from here, you can divide or multiply both sides by. So let's multiply both sides by 4. So I'm going to get 4x is equal to, we have 64. This and this, we're going to get negative 16x plus x squared. This one cancels. So now, let's send all terms to one side. So we're going to get x squared minus this 16x, then this 3 minus 4x, then plus our 64, and it's equal to 0. So from here, we can factorize x here. Okay, so you can say that x to bracket x minus this one, which is 16 bracket plus, then minus 4 into bracket 4 minus 4 goes, so it will be x minus 4 goes into 64 16 times. Okay, so negative 4 times negative 16, we are going to get 64, which is equal to 0. So now x minus 16 is common here. So we say that x minus 4 to bracket, then we pick one of these factors, which is x minus 16, and is equal to 0. So from here, we say that our x minus 4 is equal to 0, and x minus 16 is equal to 0. So the x is equal to 4. From here, x is equal to 16. So our solution for this equation is x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 16. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.